Hey guys, this is Reg. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a DIY purple conditioner. As you can see, my hair is like orangey now with a rusty highlight. I'm doing CGM now, and I have a lot of products which isn't allowed in my hair because basically we cannot have sulfate or silicone, and most of the purple shampoo and conditioner has that. So I'm gonna make my own. So it's just food coloring. I checked it in curlspot.com. All the ingredients here is approved. I have my conditioner, a cup, spoon, and gloves. So first, I'm gonna transfer some of the conditioner here. Okay, I'm quite nervous. This is just an experiment, but I think I'm not gonna put it in my hair that long. So my hair is like that. It's kind of blue, so it's perfect for me. I'm gonna show you the color wheel. When you have blonde hair, orangey hair, or even brass hair, not only like that. Okay. Look, this is violet, but how come it's like blue inside? I'm gonna add more. Okay, that's it, girl. That's it, girl. So I took a video on my phone because this light is slightly dark. So this has more shadow. Check out, this is the color of my hair using my phone. So, nope, it's kind of rusty and there's a bit of orange. So let's start. That's my hair. I'm gonna get gloves and start to put it in my hair. Basically, it doesn't matter where I start. It's not like you have to start from the bottom lower part of your hair. So I'm just gonna use it like that. My hair is quite blue now. So, yep, I have a lot of food dye on my skin, so I'll wash it off. I've been applying this for like 10 minutes now, so I think it's better to wash it off. So yeah, I'll check it out. There's purple everywhere! So let's see the difference when we dry it. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like now. As you can see, it kind of toned down. It isn't rusty anymore. I'll show you the difference between before and after so you can compare. See the difference. Yeah, it's toned down definitely, and it worked. Basically, the DIY food coloring conditioner worked for me, and I hope it will work for you. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you!